Well, I tell you what, when it comes to cleaning, I'm not your guy. I like driving, I like building, but I hate scrubbing. And that is especially true when it comes to tires. These have never been cleaned before when they were new. The soap that they put on there that's blue, that washes off really easy when the tire is new, wouldn't come off at all scrubbing it. You couldn't get the black off. Everything had bleached into that white. Let's see how we do with just spraying on some stuff, walking away for a few minutes, and coming back and barely even scrubbing them. Does it work? Let's find out. All right, what we're looking at, some old tires, brand new, but old. They've never had the blue soap washed off with the white letters. The pigment of the soap has mixed in with the oil of the tire. I've scrubbed these things over and over. The letters will not come clean and the soap won't come off. All right, so I'm gonna try this Black Magic bleachy white tire cleaner. We're gonna see if that does the trick and we can get these things clean. Now these are too old to actually go on the vehicle. I'm just going to clean them, get them in good shape, and get them back to the owner. They're brand spanking new and they've never been used. Isn't that a shame? All right, let's see if this stuff cleans. So right here, I'm putting on one coat of the bleachy white. So instantly, as I sprayed it, it started to turn brown and foam up. I'm gonna let it sit here for just a minute and then I'm gonna scrub them and see if we can't get some of the blue off. You can actually start to see some blue showing up on the letters now. That one's already drying, so let me go ahead and hit it with a brush. Now you can start seeing the brown foamy solution. It's actually part of the tire, the dingy, dirty part of the tire coming off. All right, let's wash this stuff and see what happens. So after letting it sit for just a few minutes, I went ahead and rinsed the tires off and then hit them with some soapy water just to make sure that that chemical is not doing anything to the aluminum wheels. Everything worked great. Super happy with the product. So these may be old and they may not be able to be used, but they cleaned up really, really well. Those were black and you could scrub them with just about everything and they wouldn't come clean. 2 thumbs up. So because it works so good on the Bronco tires, I decided to clean these tires as well. They haven't been clean in years and they turned out brand new. Very proud of this product. I'm glad I used it.